What is HVACR? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, we are going to learn an important HVAC term. What is HVACR? HVACR stands for heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. It is an industry that focuses on indoor comfort, air quality, and refrigeration systems used in homes, commercial buildings, and industries. H is heating. Heating means providing warmth during cold weather. Heating systems help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Common heating equipment includes furnaces, boilers, and heat pumps. V is ventilation. Ventilation means supplying fresh air and removing stale or contaminated air from a building. Good ventilation improves indoor air quality and helps create a healthier environment. AC is air conditioning. Air conditioning is used to cool indoor spaces and control humidity levels. Air conditioners remove heat from inside a room and transfer it outside, making the environment more comfortable during hot weather. R is refrigeration. Refrigeration is the process of removing heat from an enclosed space to keep products cold. Refrigeration systems are used in refrigerators, freezers, cold storage rooms, supermarkets, and food industries. Where is HVACR used? HVACR systems are commonly found in homes, offices, hospitals, hotels, shopping malls, restaurants, supermarkets, cold storage facilities, and industrial buildings. Conclusion. So remember, H equals heating, V equals ventilation, AC equals air conditioning, R equals refrigeration. Together, they form the HVACR industry, which plays a major role in our daily lives by keeping us comfortable and preserving food safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy HVACR lessons and technical training videos.